Hi, this is a brief tutorial on how to review your water year data by using the DEX or Data Explorer tool, where you may find a missing day or perhaps an overlap error. The first thing to do is find your DEX page, most easily through a link found in your My Account page. It's located in the far right column of the section titled My Stations. Now, from the main station overview page, you can look to the top menu tabs for the words Pre-SIP Calendar and click to open that tab. Here, this page will default to the current year to date, but you can click on Shortcuts and select the water year, in this case, water year 2023 to 2024. Now, the calendar will automatically show you where you have missing days highlighted in yellow. We can see this person joined in late October of last year, so any day before you joined will also show up as a missing day. For any other yellow dots, if you have written records, you can go back to the website and backfill the missing days. We can also see from the key that the stripes indicate multi-day observations, and the red stripes indicate an overlap of a daily and a multi-day report. Returning to your My Account page, there is a link at the top where you can submit a help ticket to resolve any overlaps. Thanks for checking your data.